Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be taking you guys along on the process of trying to get this bathroom organized, especially my vanity area. You guys saw my last video, which was my bathroom renovation. If you didn't see it, I will link it. And today we are getting organized, and I will be linking everything for you in the description box. Starting off with this container here, I love the fact that it is clear. I want to be able to see what I have in stock, but it was too big for the middle part, which is where we have that pipe. We had to cut around the pipe for us to be able to have a second level. And as you can see, even with the largest container, it doesn't go all the way to the back. But don't worry, I will be maximizing that space by storing this body scrubs behind the container. So now the reason why I love this containers again is because that it's clear. I want to see what I have. So this part of the vanity will be for like our daily essentials, things that we use on a daily or on a weekly that we refill on. And then the other side will be the cleaning supplies. But today we are going to focus on this side. So I ended up using this containers that I picked up from Target. I love the fact that it is gold and clear. Again, I want to be able to see what I have. So here I'm just organizing my containers to my liking and making sure that I place items that we use frequently at the edge for easy access. So the next important step is to create labels and personalize some items in my bathroom. And I partnered up with Cricut on this. Guys, let's just talk about this Cricut Explorer 3. It is so beautiful. I love the way that it opens up and it closes. It is super fast, and I cannot wait to show you guys some of the items that I created. So the first thing that I did was to sign into the Cricut Design Space and create a new project. And they have tons of inspiration. I searched on the bathroom, different templates that you can start off with. There's one in particular that I loved, and it's this one here for organization. And it was so easy to print out. All I had to do was just center the words to where I wanted it. And I used the smart removable vinyl for this particular project. And I just let the Explorer do its magic. So here's what I just printed, and now it's time to remove the excess vinyl, and then I'm going to use the Cricut tool to take out the excess vinyl around the words and transfer this to my actual containers. So to transfer this, there is a transfer tape that they also have from Cricut that I used to transfer the words and the labels onto my container. It's super easy. So when I applied the label onto my container, it had a little bubble, but that was so easy to fix with this tool. So I also want to create personalized towels and robes for my bathroom to give it that spa-like feel. So I'm using the Cricut Easy Press for this project along with the iron-on vinyl. So I am pre-pressing my towel, and then we're going to start with this. Place the spa day on there and transfer it to the towel. And I love the fact that the Cricut Easy Press has a timer and a temperature setting. And that's it for it. It was so easy to make. I feel like I'm going to be personalizing a lot of stuff in my house. I also did this with our initials on our robes, and I made some labels for the containers. So let's get back to organizing. So I placed my bath bombs in here, and I am going to go ahead and transfer the rest of the labels onto the containers. And here I'm just showing you again how easy it is to transfer the labels to the containers. So I'm going to give you guys a closer look at some of the items that we created. You guys saw me create the spa day towel. It definitely adds to the spa vibe of this bathroom. I love it. So all the containers that are in my vanity area here are all labeled using the labels that I created. I have the body scrubs. I have everything labeled, and I love the fact that I could quickly tell what's in what container, and I think adding the label definitely finished up the space. And because I have black in the space, I decided to use a black removable vinyl for the containers. And for my countertop, I placed one of the containers that I labeled, which is the cut and swab, on this tray here. And like I said, I used the black vinyl because I have black in the space and I wanted to bring in a little bit more black. And I love the way everything looks. It's definitely giving me that spa vibe. I also created our initials on our robes. So I placed that right here on this hook. You guys, I am so loving all of the personalized item. I feel like I'm going to be putting labels on everything in my house. I love this. Oh my gosh. And right here, this bookcase, I did place some of the other containers. These are the labels that were already like pre-made templates. These are right here. I just love the way everything looks. You guys let me know what you think down in the comment section. So I didn't get to share the entire organization, but I will have more videos on this. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Are you getting that spa-like vibe from this bathroom? Because I am definitely getting it. I love this bathroom. This is like my new escape spot. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I want to thank Cricut for sponsoring today's video. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care and God bless.